name is Muzi Mahlambe, the Head of Communications for the Department of Education in KwaZulu-Natal, also acting as a spokesperson. Attending this two-day workshop for the branch curriculum was very important because we always argue that we are about teaching and learning. So a lot of presentations that were made here made us as communication to understand better the branch, what the branch is doing, and what is the expectation at the school level, at the circuit level, at the district level, and what are the targets for the province. We are now exposed as communication as to the strategies that were employed by the branch curriculum. Hence, we are number one in the province, and how they intend to maintain that position, and how they intend to maintain and increase the target, which is not less than 95%. We are very much excited, and the knowledge or the body of knowledge that we have acquired in these 2 days is going to assist us whenever we speak about the programs of the department. We'll always be able to tap from the core business of the department, which is about teaching and learning.